Hi guys, welcome to the analytics video for week 4 of my YouTube monetization journey. So officially you can say it's been 1 month since I have started sharing my results, sharing my journey and weekly analytics video for my YouTube channel growth, right? So every week I'm posting a video on Sunday, and now this video I'm doing on Monday, and we will keep this schedule from onwards. I will be posting weekly analytics video on Monday. So right now for this week I would say that the numbers are not very great. We did not have any new subscriber this week and only a few weeks, and I would say that the reason for that low progress or low growth is all comes to like my own personal life. Okay, I was screwed up. My life was, in a mess during this week, so I could not publish the videos as per our initial plan. So our initial plan was to post one viral video and one how to YouTube tutorial this week. So I was only able to publish one, personal journey video, and that was 2 days ago. So that video did not have, I can say, enough time to get views or all those things. So the lesson learned for this week is that yes, I will try to shoot, record, edit video and schedule it for the next week, so that irrespective of what's going on inside my life, my videos will be posted as per the plan. So that will give me the clear picture, and that will give enough time to the algorithm to push my videos to my ideal viewers and get some growth and views and subs and all those things which are crucial to the growth of a YouTube channel, right? So I will be sharing my numbers inside my dashboard in a bit. So I wanted to just share one tip with you if you're just starting out on YouTube, that YouTube journey, YouTube growth is just like a roller coaster ride. You will experience ups and downs. On some days, your motivation level will be sky high, and on some days, you will feel so down that you will not feel like uh, recording and push that record button on your mobile. Like, I record all my videos on my smartphone, and then on my laptop I edit those videos inside Microsoft's Clipchamp. So when you're just starting out, uh, you need to be strong enough. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to uh, keep your commitment. When I started this channel, I made commitment to myself and my viewers that I will be sharing what I'm learning to grow my YouTube channel, and I will try to monetize it as faster as I could, right? So, since this is the first time in my life that I got serious about growing my YouTube channel and built a sustainable business around this channel that not only feeds my lifestyle but will also give the window to me to share the valuable lessons, insights, mistakes, wins, and failures that I have experienced in my previous years, and what I'm experiencing right now growing this channel from ground up to the level where I can, I mean, confidently quit my 9 to 5 construction job. So this is very important. This is something that I wanted to share with you people, that if you're just new on YouTube, or if you're just planning to start your own YouTube channel, regardless of what is your niche going to be, this is very important, that you have to trust the process, you have to believe in yourself, and you have to commit to the commitment you have made to yourself and with your audience, your ideal viewers, your tribe, the people who are looking for your amazing advice, tips, insights, experiences, and all those stuff, right? So that was it. So that's it. Let's jump on to the screen and I will show you what are the numbers for this week are. So right now we have landed inside our channel dashboard. So as you can see, the summary for the last 28 days is that we have got 95 views and 3.2 watch time hours, and top videos in the last 48 hours are ranked here. Okay, let's go to analytics. So this is for last 28 days. So let's go to our filter and select for the last 7 days from 11 August Monday to 16th August Sunday, right? So this will be for the last week, and here we have only 9 views and point 0.2 watch time hours, and the real time stats are showing that we have 9 views in the last 48 hours and 3 subscribers. So we did not uh, receive, we did not get any new subscriber in last week. uh, okay, the reason is that I could not publish as I planned. My week was screwed up for some personal reasons, as you can see here, from 11 to 18. So I only published one video before you, and that was like 2 days ago. So a lot of that is because of I could not publish the videos as per the plan. I was supposed to publish one viral video and one how to video, right? Besides the analytics video I'm posting right now. So this is the thing, that this week I was not able to publish the planned videos. So the numbers are not very good. Okay. But yes, we learned a few things. Excuse me. So we need to, so I need to ramp up the pace. I have to have the videos recorded, edited, and scheduled in advance to avoid the, you know, to avoid the missing of that publications, to avoid the, so what I think that I should have videos recorded and scheduled inside our my channel dashboard, so that whatever happens inside my life, our my videos are being published as per schedule and as per planned, so that I will be able to get uh, real time and continued growth for my YouTube channel. So yes, that's it. So I will keep you updated, and I will try to keep up with my posting schedule. So that's it. Let's. So I'm not feeling. I'm not. So this video I published on 16th August. So today is 18th August, right? So it only got 6 views and no comments, no likes, nothing, right? Okay. So so that's it for this week. So I hope to give you some good numbers and some good things in the next week analytics video when we come back for this one. So that's it. I see you in the next one.